Hello everyone, welcome to Golden View Renovation. I'm here with Melissa and Adam, our dear clients in Newark. Happy and proud to present you our finished home renovation and 300 square foot addition. Follow us, we will show you around.
It's really hard to find somebody who you can trust, who you would like to work with, who communicates with you, and they were fantastic.
It was pretty much a match from the beginning. It was a great experience. Elliot was a great communicator. He was always available. He followed up very thoroughly, very easy to get a hold of him, and even anyone on the team for that matter.
We renovated the entire downstairs for the most part. Originally, we had planned to do the upstairs, but after talking with Elia and the team, we realized that that's not what we needed. We needed a livable space in a livable area, so we did the entire downstairs, which included 2 bathrooms, 2 walk-in closets, 2 bedrooms, the kitchen, living room combination, and we extended backwards. It was incredibly important that our daughter had a space to call her own. If she couldn't have what I had, then it wasn't worth doing. Our designer was Estelle. She not only brought our vision to life, but she helped us remake our vision. We had thought we wanted one thing, but the more she showed us, the more we realized that we were just falling back on what we knew. And she was able to bring us into this whole new area that we didn't even know existed.
Nothing slowed them down. If they had a deadline, they were here late hours, weekends, whatever it needed to take to get there. The team itself, top to bottom, they were able to guide us in every aspect of what we needed, from design to architecture. It was impressive. Communication is very valuable. Anytime we were able to make a request, we could get an answer or a consultation the same day. Getting an honest answer, honest quote, and having someone to cover every aspect of it pretty flawlessly made it just so much less stressful.
It was 100% worth it, and I think it would be worth it for everybody else too.
When we started this journey, I promised you guys that you will be happy at the end of the road and everything will come out to be beautiful. And I'm happy to raise a toast for us being in that moment, and it's all for you guys.